In this video, we are going to solve question number 4 of exercise 7.1. The question says, check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Now first of all, obviously you can locate these 3 points on a coordinate Cartesian plane, and if I consider this point as A, this as B, this as C. So obviously these 3 points will be non-collinear, and this, if I join these 3 points, they will form a triangle. And you have to prove that these 3 points are the vertices of isosceles triangle. Vertices means these corners. And isosceles triangle is a triangle having 2 equal sides. Means if you can prove that out of these 3, if 2 sides are equal, in that case this will be an isosceles triangle. This will become an isosceles triangle. And now, if you want to find this side, again you have to use the distance formula and you have to find the distance between these 2 points. Similarly, you have to find the distance between these 2 points, and similarly you have to find the distance between these 2 points. And if 2 sides are equal, then this will be an isosceles triangle. In the previous video, you have to prove that 3 points were collinear. In that case, they weren't. So here, let's prove whether these 3 points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle or not. So first of all, let's find the distance between A and B, and again I have to use the same for distance formula, which says x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So consider these points as x1 y1 and this point as x2 y2 for A and B. Now our x2 is 6, so 6 minus our x1 is 5, so 6 minus 5 plus our y2 is 4 and our y1 is minus 2. This is important here. You have to make sure that you place the right sign before the numbers. So 6 minus 5 is 1, so it should be 1 square, and it should be plus, it should be 5, and minus minus is again plus whole square. So 1 square is 1, and 4 plus 2 is 6, so 6 square. So 6 square is 36, so 36 plus 1 is 37 units. So here the distance between AB is 37 units. Now similarly, let's find the distance between BC. Now for these 2 points, consider this as x1 and this is y1, and consider this as x2 and this as y2. Again I have to use the same formula, so the distance between BC will be x2 minus x1, 7 minus 6 whole square plus our y2 is minus 2, so y2 minus y1, so it should be minus 4, it is 1, so it should be 1 square, and it is 6, so it should be minus 6 square. Again you have to be very cautious while putting the sign. Here plus minus is minus, but the sign will be positive because greater value has positive sign. Here plus minus minus is plus, but the sign will be negative because here the greater value has negative sign. And here also you have to be very cautious that negative and multiplied will become positive. Otherwise you will end up getting wrong answers. So this is important that you pay attention to these small things in these chapters. So it is 1 square is 1 and minus 6 square is again 36. This will become plus 36 because the power is even. Okay, and we know that whenever power is even, sign gets changed. So 36, 6 square is 36 plus 1 is 37 units. So here the distance between BC is again 37. So till now we are pretty sure that these two sides are of equal length, means this will be an isosceles triangle at least. But you have to also find the distance between these 2 points, and if the distance between these 2 points is again root 37, in that case this triangle will become an equilateral triangle, not isosceles. Okay, so we have to find to this side also to confirm that this is an isosceles triangle, not equilateral triangle. Okay, so in this case I have to find the distance between AC. Formula will remain the same, but for A and C, consider this point as x1 and this is as y1, this as y2, x2 and this as y2. So y2 minus, x2 minus x1 is 7 minus 5 whole square plus y2 and minus y2 minus y1, and our y1 is minus 2. So let's solve the bracket first. So 7 minus 5 is 2 square, and first of all I have to solve inside the bracket. So minus 2 will remain as it is, and these two minus when multiplied will give me plus 2 whole square. 2 square is 4 and minus plus is minus, so these two values can be cancelled, so this will be 0. So it is root 4 units, or you can say 2 units. So here the distance between these 2 points is 2 units. So here we have proved that two sides are equal here. So this will form our isosceles triangle. So this is how you can solve this particular question. I hope you have understood this one. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any problem in maths, you can directly contact us. Our phone number, email address and the WhatsApp number is given below. We will respond to you. Thank you.